Okay, real quick tutorial on how to add the Home Assistant Community Store to your TrueNAS Scale Docker. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to your Apps panel, and you're going to find your instance of Home Assistant. You're going to click the little three dots kebab menu, and then you're going to click Shell. Once that opens up, make sure you are on the instance that is just the random letters number string, not the one that says Postgres. Then you'll hit Choose. Then you're going to hit Control, Shift, and V to paste in what you've copied from the description below, which is just a wget from HACS.xyz with the bash script. So you hit Enter. It will give you a bunch of green lines. I already ran this, so it says it already exists and it's cleaning up. Once you do that, you can hit Applications to go back. Now you can either restart by stopping and then starting again, or in your instance of Home Assistant, you can hit the kebab menu up here and you can say Restart Home Assistant. Once you do that, you are in your user profile. Make sure you have Advanced Mode activated. Again, so click your name down on the bottom left, scroll down a little bit to Advanced Mode, make sure that's activated. Then go into Settings, Devices and Services, add an integration, and then when you search for HACS, it will now become available. Check all the boxes saying you know what's going on and hit Submit, and you're good to go. So assuming you have a GitHub account, all you've got to do is paste that code in there, and it will say then success, created configuration for, and hit finish. And now you see you've got HACS in your integrations, and it is available on your sidebar. Thanks for watching.